India just sold its water, its electricity, its land, and you know what we asked for in return? Nothing. Just a sticker that says Global AI Hub. और हम उस स्टिकर पे नाच रहे हैं. And I am going to tell you what no news anchor and no big influencer will. Here is what's actually happening. The biggest tech companies, OpenAI, Nvidia, plus our own Ambani and Adani are all building AI data centers in India. And every news channel is screaming billions in investment, India rising. रुको लेकिन investment किसका? Profit किसका? और कीमत कौन चुका रहा है? Understand one thing. These companies are not doing us a favor. They need India. China shut its door. America doesn't fully trust them. So they need a country with cheap water, cheap power, cheap land and nobody asking questions. We were the perfect fit. हम उनकी पहली पसंद नहीं थे, हम इनकी मजबूरी थे. And when someone is desperate, that's when you negotiate hard. हम उल्टा अपना सब कुछ फ्री में दे आए. Start with water. A single large AI data center drinks over 8 lakh liters of water per day just to keep its machines cool. And we are building these in a country where cities run dry every summer. Remember Marathwada, Latur, where people waited for a train to bring them drinking water. Where between 2022 to 2024, more than 3,000 farmers took their own lives. Now think carefully. The water in this country is fixed. जो पानी उस किसान का खेत बचाता, वही पानी एक सर्वर को ठंडा करेगा. लातूर कोई बीती हुई कहानी नहीं है. लातूर वो चेतावनी है जिसे हम इग्नोर करके रिबन काट रहे हैं. Now the tax. We gave them a tax holiday till 2047. So they will use our water, our power, earn billions and barely pay the government back. Now look at the world. Norway had oil. It taxed the oil companies at 78%. It built a fund from that money that's worth trillions of dollars today. Every Norwegian is richer for it. And us, we are sitting on the oil of the AI age. Data, talent, a billion-person market. We held every card and what did we ask for? Nothing. No stake, no tax, not even a promise to hire our kids. And jobs, these data centers don't even create jobs. A factory employs thousands. A data center once built a handful of guards and technicians. बस एक ठंडा गोदाम. और उस गोदाम के लिए हमने देश के का पानी गिरवी रख दिया. And this isn't the first time. The same thing happened in the IT boom. Celebrated that tech was coming to India. But we built our own Silicon Valley. हम दुनिया का बैक ऑफिस बन गए. Not one of the world's top 20 tech companies in Indian. We write the code, someone else owns it. And now with AI, we are repeating the same mistake. गोदाम बन रहे हैं, मालिक नहीं. So this isn't development. It's a defeat being sold to us as a victory. And the saddest part, हम इस हार पे ताली बजा रहे हैं. Next time someone forwards you a global AI hub headline, ask them just 3 questions. Whose water, whose tax break and how many jobs really? जिस दिन आम आदमी ये 3 सवाल पूछ लेगा, उस दिन ये लूट रुक जाएगी. Share this with everyone who puffed their chest at the headline and tell me straight in the comments, is this a win for the country या अपनी ही लूट पे बारात?